You type here the driver download. Please why I'm search the official website for you. Okay, this here the official website, and click here driver and or software. Okay, this here the official website, the March system operation and March version only, and you click here this here for system operation for Windows, and this here for operating system for Windows version and Windows 11 and Windows 9, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, and Windows Vista. Not support Windows XP, and this here the March system operation. This video I am need to download a driver Windows 11 disclaimer, and this here for the Mac driver, and click here this here version. This here for new version Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the March system operation for the version Mac driver, and this here the system operation for the operating system for the Linux, and this here for Linux package. I am recommendation for you. You download driver package driver, and this here the complete the driver, and you're looking the release update, and you're download new release update. Okay, this video I need to download driver Windows 11 and select your system operation for Windows, and you click here, you select version system operation. This here the system operation for Windows 11. I am need to download driver Canon MegaTank Windows 11, and click here, and this here the package driver. You looking the release update, new release update. This here the driver only, and driver print and scan functional your product for your product. This here the driver print and scan only, not wireless and not wireless support. And this here the software and page 2, and this here the software only and driver only. You looking the here, and I am a recommendation for you. You download a driver package. You looking the release update. This here the package driver for Windows 11. Click here. Okay, please wait. This here the outline, and this system requirement, and for Windows 11, and this here setup instruction. You'll read here. You read here for the setup instruction install, and this here file information. This file site, and file type and type and name file. If you need install, you click here. I have red and green to the disclaimer, and click here your button download, and click button download if you need download. Okay, this driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please wait the finish driver download. You click run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for Wi-Fi. You're looking the IP printer and IP printer, and you run as driver. Driver detect the IP printer. You connect, and you're printing and scanner. This easy install and easy download driver. If you need to load, you're looking the your if you need download, below description link download. If you need a question, comment below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my videos for